What's up, YouTube? We back with another banger. And look, y'all. Today we gonna just be, you know what I'm saying? We gonna just be doing shit, you know? That's what we do. We just do shit. But look, I got a package in today for my little clothing brand. I'm gonna show y'all that. I go get tatted today. Get my leg tatted. And then what else? We gonna just go around and do stuff, man. Go! That nigga trying to troll me and shit. Go! So when I get rich, I'm not taking these niggas with me, bro. I'm not taking these niggas with me when I get rich, bro. They wanna troll. But yeah, so I'm finna unbox this little package. Show y'all what I got coming in. I can go shop, put the link in the bio, all that. You know, and then I'm gonna go get my leg tat. We gonna do some more shit. I'll probably add tomorrow in this vlog too, cause it's gonna be the 4th tomorrow. And you know we gonna be lit.
That's W, bro.
We gonna be lit.
2.
What you say?
2. What's going on? It's Lakeesh back again.
He can't do it better than me. It's cool.
I can't watch. You 2.
You
2. Let's go. We back here with another video.
But yeah, though. So I'm finna go ahead and set this up. Show y'all what we doing today. Hold on. First nice cut.
I'm a W cameraman.
Dang. The restock is here. The restock is here. Where my phone at?
W restock.
W restock.
What you think about this restock?
Ready?
Everything we do is W. Restock is here.
Huh.
No bad.
You niggas not slime as us. We up and then behind, we buzz.
My lips oval blue.
Is your gun pink?
My gun pink.
But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what's finna restock, bro. If y'all don't know, now y'all know. And y'all don't wanna miss these. I sold out the first time in one day. So you know what's gonna happen the second time. Another sellout in one day. I hope so. But it's the front though, look. You feel me? Forever Glow, made with love. Type shit. Got the tour on the back. All the little cities. If you don't see it on here, cop this shirt. It's meant for you. Made with love. Y'all wanna see how I fit? I got y'all. 1 second. Saying trim shit, fly shit only. 2023. We going on.
Get them cheeks.
Let me. Shorty got the JD Order Paris, Hollywood, Dallas, Seattle, Chicago, San Francisco, New York on the side over there. You know? And then you got Glow himself.
If you mess with me, mess with the brand. Cause it's gonna all come back full circle.
Not Glorilla, but Forever Glow.
Look, what I say, man. Shining even on the darkest days. You know the sun, it always shines when it rains. You gotta shine on the darkest days.
When it rains, it
Forever
be
Glow.
pouring.
But yeah, man, we got medium, large, XL, we got 2X, we got extra small, we got every size you need. Whatever, however big you is, however little you is, we got it. Yeah. Come shop. I'll be playing, I got that Zanta pen.
You talking about having big.
I got that Zanta pen. That's that real clothing Zanta. This shit gas. I should do a fit with this one, so I give people like a view of like how they should dress and shit. That's cool. But yeah, I got work to go back to. Gotta be out break at 1, so I'm gonna tap back in when I go get my tat, y'all. Y'all be smooth, y'all stay straight. You know, low gang or no gang. For sure. Alright, so we just made it to the tattoo shop. You know what time it is, man. It's time to go get batted.
Shout out to Honey Bun Club.
I'm finna get the leg tatted, man. I know what's going on. I'm gonna pop in. Join the Honey Bun Club. Things of that nature. You know? My boy be going cool too. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't know. I was thinking about that because I never got a leg tat. So how long is gonna be for? I'm hoping 2.5 hours. Why that's too long? I don't know. I don't know YouTube, but y'all Time, man. It's time to get tatted. Shout out to the Point Tattoo Studios. They the best with it. How you feeling? When you do your tat, bro?
I get paid Friday. We'll accumulate the fundings.
Tight. He playing, y'all. He not trying to be tatted for you.
I'm gonna 3 me out. Fuck. 3 me out.
I was gonna get stabbed right here.
Stop saying that, bro.
But
Please stop saying that.
But I think I'm gonna wait. Like, I think I'm gonna wait like 2 years maybe. I think when I turn like 20, I'm gonna probably get stabbed. Right?
4. 22 at least.
This one hurts right here though. Fade top.
What?
Dream chaser.
I didn't see that, but like, you could see, you could start feeling stuff in, so I would.
I'm gonna try to do this like a little bit bigger, so like my stunt's a little crowded.
Put my phone okay. Let me lock in. It's recording? Before face? I ain't gonna lie, I didn't realize you. That look way bigger than what I was expecting. That feel like the whole.
That's gonna be tough.
Yeah, that feel like the whole calf.
You know that shit, dude.
I need a tattoo.
Bro, honestly, if I do it that big or if I do it that big, it's gonna take me almost longer to do it smaller.
Right.
Then it's gonna do bigger because I can move quicker on it. You know what I mean? I got more room to play. When you got something small, I gotta be like, and it's not even gonna look that good. It's better to be bigger. You know what I mean? But plus, you're my guy. I tattoo you all the time, bro.
You bring me to college, August 9 or 10.
Flying for sure, dude.
I'm more time after this. If I go to college.
We'll start here and work our way up, dude.
I bet.
It's on Friday.
Not flossing well?
You check my phone?
I thought it was fine. Scott Burgess just posted monthly make Johnson to good.
Stop it.
He said hustle. He talking about
This isn't just a box of white cake. It's a safe and effective way to take
yeah, man, if I need a tattoo, come up to the Point Tattoo Studios, Crestwood. They're the best to do it. Anybody else?
So are we getting Rapper Tees Part 2?
Huh?
Are we getting Rapper Tees Part 2?
Is that?
Are we?
Part 2 collection? Nah. We ain't getting a part 2, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We got bigger and better things coming in. We stock on the 7. More raw tees.
There's more rappers.
What rappers do you need to?
Hey, you got another cheat? You got more, No, Nike, you got one of them my size.
What?
Don't you? I looked at your website earlier.
Big Scar, I got him as size.
You do?
I got keep it. I got keep it small, but
The best card, I'm how much? 30? Yeah, I'm about one.
Jay was off.
I'm about one.
He bought one.
So like, I'm about one.
I got you.
I said I'm about one. Just said I had one. Gotta have one. Decent? Decent?
It's decent.
Decent. Don't flash with the camera, each other. Yeah. If it hurt, let it out, bro. If it hurt, let it out, bro.
Get a tattoo, bro. You feel me? Have a basketball season coming up. You gotta have one by then.
Oh, that's November.
Okay, bro.
It's July.
You gotta have one now, bro. It's summer.
4 months from now.
It's summer, bro. You want? Tell him to get, spam in the comments. Tell him to get a tattoo, bro.
Bro, even if I don't get touched with this check, I will do a next check. Like, don't forget the checks keep coming in. Don't forget the checks keep rolling in.
It's not about the checks, bro.
It is.
It's about the pecs.
No. It's like, this looks sweet to me. I feel like that's sweet.
You feel like that? Yeah, everybody pain tolerance is different. I got the best in the game doing my tats, bro.
Yeah, someone do some, you know, my own. But what else would I do other than that? Her birthday. Yeah. Like,
We can do anything.
her
Gotta be-
favorite Bible scripture.
Yeah. That could be tough.
Favorite Bible scripture.
Her name.
And her name where though, like on the side.
Yeah, like rainbow on the side,
Like,
on the arch.
like,
Or it could be arched above the Bible scripture.
so like the Bible scripture, her name above it.
Yeah, but like an
Above it
arch.
on the this or this.
Either way. Yeah, look really
So
good.
like one of the tops.
Yeah.
Type thing. We in there.
Yeah, that's a start.
We in there. And then you gotta add something else like a
Just add a symbol that's something that she means to you.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Heart, you gotta add a heart. I'm asking. But I'm telling you. So we about 15-20 minutes in. We got looking nice, man. Looking nice, man. We still gotta add Babyface Angel in there. But we got the, you know, we got the Rio bird done almost. That's it. Yeah. Tell that camera, y'all.
I'm gonna be catching bodies with leg tap. I got my leg tap. I think I'm gonna start my basketball career again. I think I'm gonna go back to basketball now.
What?
After my leg tap. I think I'm gonna enhance my game a little bit.
When you hooping there, any comments over there?
Yeah.
Who was hooping there?
Uh,
Oh, I've been looking at I'm tweaking.
what?
Started talking.
Oh, this one in the video?
I started saying
Oh, okay. Let me stop it.
Big deal.
You feel me? What's really going on?
Deals from electronics to home. It's on Prime.
Oh, I should have put like Golden Child. That'd be tough. That'd be tough.
Right now?
That would be tough.
Right now?
Huh?
I mean, like right now, though. When you come back.
Words ain't nothing, bro. Nah, I'll probably wait.
Yeah, bro.
It's nothing.
Alright, wait.
Sounds like
Low
something.
shot. We need that. It's locked in.
Alright, y'all. Update. The shading is kicking my ass. No, I'm trolling. But it is, you got a little kick to it.
Yeah, when you eating at that too.
I'm strong though, huh?
Yeah, when you eating at that too, it got a little kick to
You
it.
got a little kick to it. You got a little tang to it.
got St. Brady Street.
He's capping. You have on live television right here. If he's not in the
Mark
next 2
my
weeks.
words. Back when I told y'all years ago I was gonna tell that, I ain't gonna lie, I was dead broke. Like, pockets hurting. But we up now.
Yeah.
We up. I said,
Okay, so better days.
at least La La Land up now. Like, he did that. Said he did. I said he did that.
You always do that.
I said he did that. Get the details. Watch me. Oh my god. Harry ain't cool out his name.
That's crazy. Yeah. Until, you know I had to come trim. Had to come correct for the leg tap. First one. Arm. We gonna do leg. Then we gonna do chest. We gonna just keep them coming. The fourth tomorrow, instantly leg out. Forever Glow suit with the Balenci's, like mix the glow with the designer. Can't go wrong with it. So weeks, bro.
Shit, buddy, I gotta get on that. Shit, I gotta come back down. I did on that. Complete time. I'm my job. I'm like, but she didn't put that shit like that. She said that she gonna say that. I don't even know the good like public for anything like that. I don't know that. We're on the phone. Yeah, I'm gonna look up his thing. PTSD. We're gonna go play deep. Showing them.
Just got done, bro. I'm gonna lie. This might be my favorite tattoo. This might be my favorite tattoo. Yeah, and the hand one. I think.
You go away.
Yeah. I'm about to kill this one.
Drewski?
What up, man? Take a peek, bro.
Drewski? That's one of the rawest dances out to you. Drewski.
Oh, that's probably not bad. You go up this. Yeah. Dude, nah. I ain't gonna lie. This gas. This gas.
Hey, if I'm gonna make it a hoop, I could be up there. How you feel?
I feel like a new man.
Touch him. Folks say two retwist, cab tap, and they found this one that Sky's on. Tight.
Am I done?
Tight. I'm selling Nick bags on 75th and Merchant. Slide through them out and forth. Get lit with me. No problem.
Long shorts. Like right here? Shorts right here.
Get lit with me on the fourth.
You know? Shorts right here.
Get into it though. Get into it. I'll be at the crib doing it. Get into it though. Hey. There you go.
How'd you move in with that, guys?
It's homie say.
How'd you move in with that, guys?
Yeah. Would be a.
Let's do it. Leg tat done. I don't know if I can see it or not. Yeah, man. Done with that segment of the day. So we got the clothes in, we got the tat. And the day really, it's just getting started for real. We off tomorrow. We ain't got no work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be out all night.
You saying a mouthful right there though.
What you trying to eat though?
Shit, this is a little sand cook, a little liquor bar across the street though.
Oh, they got tandoori nights. Indian cuisine.
Let me see those. And motherfuckers get paid on Friday.
See what's
And
around
life
here.
really be good though, even if you like ain't even living though.
You hear me? Like, I ain't gonna lie, I just lost hella bread today. My homie had me worried for a little bit, but he cool though. He's
You
straight.
lost, man, but you came up today too, though.
But I came up though.
That's what I'm saying. Life be ups and downs, but
I
it's
just put up with that guys.
but an up is way more upper than a down is a downer. You hear me?
Dang,
That's what people don't get in life.
people don't understand that though.
Your up's gonna be way more up. Your down's gonna be down.
People don't understand that though.
We can eat some. We can eat some.
Oh, snap! Cute.
It's some Raisin Canes.
All right, Matt, we go there.
4 minutes, man. I know we ain't trying. You don't shoot us at home.
But yeah, YouTube, like I said, man, if y'all need a tattoo, man, come to the Point Tattoo. Gonna get you right. I'll see y'all whatever I do next. Hey, be safe, gang. Listen, fuck shit. Alright, YouTube. Just drop folks off at home. Oh, snap. Yeah, just drop folks off at home. Leg tap, over bleeding, over hurting. I'm over sore. But it is what it is. You know how this shit go. So I'm finna go to the crib. My OG said we finna do fireworks in my house, so we gonna do fireworks in my house. Have a little company and shit. I don't know. I'm finna just do stuff today. I'm gonna combine today or tomorrow. Or maybe I just have today be his own video. This would be a cooler video. Yeah, ain't no such thing as too many tats, bro. Peep the good eats on the ground. Good eats, Raisin Canes. We don't got one where I live, so when I go out of town, I always, you feel me, bop there or bop somewhere I ain't got. You feel me? But yeah, I'm finna get to the crib. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get back to the crib.
You just be easy.
I think I gotta go in the air. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna pop out. They be like.
Oh, YouTube. We just popping fireworks in the yard. Nephew.